I'm going to show you how to play this hymn on the organ, just as I am. This is a relatively simple arrangement. I wrote it myself. So we'll start with the bass line. For the first phrase, it's relatively straightforward. It's C, C, F, G. Or you can break it into half. C, C, usually when I practice, I add left hand first. The left hand goes G, E, A, D. Now, I'm going to put my pedal board and the left hand together. You might want to break it into half. The first half goes your foot doesn't move, it's just the left foot playing twice. On the second part, you want to play A and D on the left hand, and you will do F, G. So you may remember to use the toe heel, yeah? And do it several times. And put the whole thing together. Lastly, we can add the melody, but I want to add melody with pedal first, so I can have connection of my right hand and my pedal board. So before I put everything together, I might just put my hands together. Now, it's a very exciting moment. We're going to play all the parts together. I want to do it very slowly to start with. It would be useful to think of the next chord while you are playing the melody. Ideally, you should get your note covered before you reach it. So now we can speed up slightly. For the second phrase, I will play C, G, C, G on the pedal board. And then on my left hand, I will do G, D, G. It might be wise to put your left hand on a G major chord position because it only has G, D, G. And now we can put everything together. And now let's add the right hand. A recording of how to play the melody on my channel, so please watch that if you want some more detail. Now, very exciting moment, we can put everything together but at a relatively slower pace. So you might want to make a note for yourself. Before you reach this line, you need to put your left hand on the D, G, and you put your feet on C and G. Yeah. So. Yeah. And we can gradually build up the speed. probably too fast, but that's fine. You get very familiar with it. For the third phrase, we will have very similar pedalboard arrangement as the first phrase. We've got C, C, F, G again. Okay. Now we're going to add the left hand, which goes before you reach this line, you might want to make sure that your little finger is already on E. And play a few times, it can speed up very nicely. Now we're going to add the melody, but we'll do melody with left hand first. Finally, we can put everything together at a very slow pace. It's good to be familiar with the notes. And the last 3 bars are straightforward. I will have C, G, C, yeah, and that matches up with my melody. On the left hand, we have E, C, B, G. Okay, so we can have a very nice chord progression to end. It's a 1C5-1 chord progression. So C major, second E major, and G major, C major to end. Yeah. Anyway, let's do it step by step. We have C, G, C. Yeah. On the left hand, I have E,